Hello guys, welcome back to this lecture, and today in this lecture we will understand the full script for the removal and reinstallation of kubectl. Okay, so the command to remove the existing kubectl binary was this. I will repeat everything once more. Sudo rm is remove. This is the path. User /local/bin/kubectl. Okay, let's enter. Password for KRC home. So I will give you the password. Give it the password for the Ubuntu. So it has accepted the password. Sorry, try again. Okay. Now this time it has accepted my password. And then we do the verify removal, and I will explain every step once more. So put the script. So kubectl successfully removed. Now let us do it step by step. What this is, So now in this removal script, the command this is -v kubectl and greater than /dev null checks if kubectl is available in the system path, and this symbol and greater than dev/null part redirects both standard output and standard error to /dev/null, effectively silencing any output. And the not equal and this sign negates the condition. So if kubectl is not found, then it returns true. Okay. And then echo kubectl successfully removed. It is quite self-explanatory. Prints the success message if the kubectl is not found after the removal, and otherwise it is failed to remove the kubectl. Prints a failure message. Exit 1 exits the script with status 1, indicating an error. After having removed the kubectl successfully, we need to download and install the latest version of kubectl with this command. So this starts installing the kubectl again. And then we make the binary as executable by this command. And then we move the binary to our path. So that is this command, sudo move. All done, and then finally we verify the installation. Now basically this was the installation and the removal script verification part that I wanted to explain in more detail. That's why this lecture. So kubectl successfully installed. Now let's see this part. Okay, then if kubectl version --client and greater than /dev/null, it checks if the kubectl can be executed, and if it returns the client version, the and greater than /dev/null part again silences any output like it did for the removal process here for removal. And other things are quite clear. It echoes if it is successful in installing, then it echoes successfully installed, else it echoes failed to install kubectl and exits with error. Here you might be wondering, those who haven't come from this shell script background, is what does this fi means. So fi keyword marks the end of the if statement in bash scripting. It serves as a closing delimiter that corresponds to if keyword. If and then opposite of if, fi. So that means it denotes where the conditional execution controlled by if statement ends. This is end if basically. Okay. What we learned from this lecture is that we learned the complete process of removing and reinstalling kubectl, the Kubernetes command line tool. And this ensures that you can manage kubectl installations effectively, maintaining a clean and up-to-date development environment.